Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to join two pieces of bamboo together very simply. So whether you want to join them at 90 degrees to each other or at an angle, the principle's almost the same. Start with a nice piece of strong twine. You mustn't be able to break it by pulling it. And I suggest you tie the twine, wrap it around twice, and tie the twine onto the first bamboo stick. This will help you. And the thing to do is to leave a good tail on the knot, because at the end of your binding you'll need to use this tail to join the two pieces together. So there we are, here's the start. Hold them together with one hand. It's quite tricky, but start to wrap the string around one diagonal first. Try and keep that tab out of the way. When you've been round twice, switch directions, and this bit's a bit easier now, and wind the string the other direction. Now put quite a few, and keep this tight, quite a few turns into it. The more turns you put into it, the stronger it becomes. Okay, so as you'll see now, I'm going to go round the bamboo a couple of times, and that kind of consolidates what you've already done. And then I'll make a few passes across and down, up, across and down. Does that make sense? So we really have a good solid binding. Let me tie this up and see if I can demonstrate this to you. 2 half hitches and it's tied. So there's our first attempt. Now it moves a bit, expect it to move a bit, but if you're creating a shape with your bamboo, gradually you'll be able to add the next piece of bamboo to it. Say we were making a triangle, and this piece, when these two are joined together, will start to become quite strong. Another material you can use to bind is an old cycle inner tube, and the trick with this, if I can go into here quickly, hold it with your thumb and stretch it so it's much thinner and stretched. And the same principle applies in each case. But sometimes, if you want to make something really strong, you can use string and then put some elastic on afterwards. And what you've achieved there is a kind of belt and braces type approach. Once that's knotted, that really is quite a strong join now. That's the end of this first video.